If you watched my sweet potato black bean taco video, here is the homemade sweet potato tortilla I used. These tortillas are soft, delicious, and naturally rich in fiber, thanks to the sweet potatoes and whole wheat flour. They are perfect for tacos, wraps, burritos, and even everyday meals. To make this tortilla, start with 2 medium boiled sweet potatoes. In a large bowl, add 4 cups whole wheat flour or all purpose flour. Now mash and add the boiled sweet potatoes. Season with 1 to 2 tablespoons of red chili powder for a little flavor and color, and salt to taste. Start mixing everything together. Keep kneading until a soft dough comes together. Add water only if needed. The sweet potatoes already contain moisture, so avoid adding too much water at once. Once the dough is smooth, apply a little oil on top and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. This resting time helps relax the gluten and makes rolling much easier. After resting, divide the dough into equal portions. Shape them into smooth balls and let them rest again for another 5 to 10 minutes. This second rest helps prevent the dough from shrinking while rolling. Start by dusting the surface lightly with flour. Roll the dough forward and backward until it reaches the point where it starts shrinking back. At this stage, many people continue using same rolling motion and end up adding more and more flour. Instead, dust a little more flour and begin rolling in one direction at a time. I always include an unedited rolling clip for anyone who wants to learn the technique. If you already know how to roll tortillas, feel free to skip ahead. Continue rolling, focusing your pressure towards the edges rather than the center. This helps the tortilla expand evenly while staying soft. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is using too much flour or constantly rolling back and forth. When the dough starts resisting and shrinking, excessive rolling usually makes the problem worse. The extra flour gets incorporated into the tortilla and often leads to a dry or tough texture. A little patience and practice goes a long way here. After a few batches, you'll start noticing exactly how much pressure and flour your dough needs. Dust off the excess flour and our tortilla is ready to cook. Heat a pan over medium-high heat. Carefully place the tortilla onto the hot pan. Cook until small bubbles begin to appear on the surface. Lightly spray or brush a little oil and flip it. Cook until golden brown spots develop. Flip one final time and finish cooking. A tip that applies to almost any flatbread. Avoid flipping too many times. More flips usually means drier bread. For the softest tortillas, cook on medium-high heat and keep the number of flips to 3 or 4 at most. And that's it. Soft, flavorful, fiber-rich sweet potato tortillas made right at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. for more healthy vegetarian recipes. Thank you for watching.